have brought another proof that Igbo people are the most educated tribe in Africa. According to USA astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson, he said the people who get the highest scores in standardized tests in England are the Igbo people, the people from the Igbo tribe.
My only point is, when you have that mindset and you have to put yourself at the top and all people with dark skin are one entity, you're not looking for people smarter than you. You're not, there's other evidence here. Do you realize that the people who get the highest scores on standardized tests in England are people, immigrants from the Igbo tribe in Nigeria? And their kids outscore all the quote native white people in the town. If you're not looking for them, you're not finding them. It just doesn't. It's a thing. It's all here in this chapter.
Another case of Igbo excellence. I don't deal on propaganda. I deal on facts. I deal on proof. I always have my facts and statistics to prove that and back it up. Igbo people are the most educated tribe in Africa. I have my facts. I have my statistics, and I have my proof. Igbo excellence. Igbo amaka. Tay.